One brushing removes up to 99% of plaque in hard-to-reach areas. Power Tip Bristles. 550 extra long bristles to help clean hard-to-reach places. CrossAction Bristles. Unique CrossAction bristles are angled in opposing directions to lift out and sweep away plaque. Indicator Bristles. Blue indicator toothbrush bristles fade halfway so you know when to replace your brush. Tongue and Cheek Cleaner. The Oral-B CrossAction all-in-one manual toothbrush bristles attack plaque from the perfect angle, cleaning better than a flat trim brush with straight bristles. Plus, ProHealth's tongue cleaner helps remove germs from the tongue. Top reviews from the United States. Gets rid of plaque better than an automatic toothbrush. This is the best toothbrush. I drink a lot of tea and coffee, which has worn down the enamel in my teeth, which causes a lot of plaque. This toothbrush gets rid of plaque so much better than others because it can reach so many difficult spots. My teeth feel so clean even hours after brushing.